Licensed firearm holder Alrick Sutton gunned down after leaving supermarket in Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The East Kingston police are probing the shooting death of a licensed firearm holder on Thursday night along Antrim Road in Vineyard Town. The deceased has been identified as 37-year-old Alrick Sutton. Reports from the police are that at around 7 p.m., Mr. Sutton went to a nearby supermarket to purchase eggs, and while walking back to his motor vehicle, he was attacked and shot multiple times by gunmen. He ran and collapsed along the roadway. He was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Onlookers on the scene, some of whom who knew Mr. Sutton, were in shock and was praying that he would survive. As of March 29, the police said that the East Kingston Police Division recorded 5 murders, a 71% decline when compared to 17 for the corresponding period last year. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and have a subsequent news report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.